guess no veggies means no salad today. Now, why would somebody take my veggies?
Okay,
Guess it's a mystery.
we need my little blue pail so we can carry the blueberries that we pick. I need your help. Will you check my backpack and find my little blue pail to carry the blueberries?
We've got a mission. Find out who's taking the veggies and ask them to stop like Bob wanted.
That way the rest of Bob's veggies can grow and he can have a delicious salad from his garden. Backpack, 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 backpack. On the backpack loaded up with things and knickknacks too. Anything that you might need, I got inside for you. Backpack, 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 backpack. Yeah! I have lots of pails. But Dora wants a little blue pail to carry the blueberries. Delicious mission. We did. First, let's find all the pails that are blue. Is this a blue pail? Is this a blue pail? Is this a blue pail? Now, which pail is a little blue pail? All right, you found the little blue pail. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso!